Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change accent color on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! When you buy a new Mac such as the MacBook Pro, you get to personalize it based on your taste needs and preference. Notably, the macOS Ventura allows you to change the accent color and pick between blue, red, yellow, and many other colors. This controls the color of curtain buttons, icon, and menus. So, when you change the accent color on your macOS, your favorite color will appear in several locations across the system and apps. So how to change? It's so simple. So first of all, you can just open your system preferences. Now you can just go to general. As you can see in here, my accent color is pink. You can see from here, like this color, this UI color. Now if you want to change it, you can see in here there is an option accent color. There's like blue, purple, pink, red, orange, yellow, and green and gray that you can use on your uh, MacBook, or you can just use multicolor. Maybe from pink, I will change to yellow like this, so it will turns out like this. So cool, right? So it's so simple, right? To change your accent color on your MacBook and your macOS, and you can change it anytime you want on your system preferences. So that is how to change your accent color on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.